BNSF-9, 4145. Woo! Train number 10. Woo! Let's go! Might finally beat my 11 trains. Woo! No horn show, which is sad, but oh well.
Train Ohio wide, and BN main on the other side. Yeah, come on down, Sigmatic Station there, East Bridge Junction, over.
Yeah, you can hear the defect detector going off. It's what my radio defect detector looks like. In case any other rail fans want to buy one, so they can scan trains here, that's what it looks like. In case y'all are wondering. It's a really good scanner. Scans trains. You just gotta set it to the channel, to the train channels you want it on. And then, yeah, wow. He's a short train, so he's definitely like a local train. Let's get the gates going up. Train number 10. Woo! Woo! Man, I love rail fanning. I catch so many trains out here at Central, it's not even funny. That's how much trains I catch. There go the gates. Hope y'all enjoy. Woo!